Yeah, let's go.
We're
walking to the elevator.
Ew.
The girl dressed in black.
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Swimming at the hotel pool.
Joyride. Wait for me, friend.
Oh shit!
Where's Fuchsia?
Thumbnail. Getting.
Bro, you gotta use like. We are at Crazy 8.
Crazy 8. Oh!
What is that? Did you just see that? That was weird as shit. That was like that Walrus movie, you know? The scary movie where they turns into a walrus?
What's it, Tusk?
Yeah, that's weird.
Looks like who?
You don't see the hair?